everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, so to continue on my workout series, I've already did the arms, the abs, the legs, so now I'm going to target the butt, the rear end. I know all of us are looking for a nice tight butt. I know I am, so I know some of you are too. So I'm going to show you some exercises to really tighten up that rear end, and if you want to see what I mean, keep watching. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to turn on those notifications, and that's just going to let you know every time I upload a video. Okay, so enough talking, let's get working out. So the first exercise I'm going to do is I'm going to start out on all fours, and I'm just going to stick my leg out, and I'm just going to go inside and I'm going to swing it out. And I'm going to do about 10 of these on each leg, and this will be a great exercise. If you have ankle weights, you can put those ankle weights on and go ahead and do this exercise. You will definitely feel the burn. This next exercise is called a donkey kick. I'm going to stay on all fours. I'm going to flex my foot and just bring my leg up and down. And I really love this exercise. This is what's really going to tighten and really lift up your butt. And I'm going to do 3 sets of 20 on each leg. Between each exercise, it's always important to stretch or maybe take a sip of water, and because you're really going to feel the burn. So I just like to stretch, shifting my weight from one side to another for 10 seconds. Next, I'm going to do a hip thrusting exercise, and I'm just trying to keep my feet as close to my butt as possible. I'm going to lay flat on my back and make sure that my arms are to the side. And I'm just going to lift up my hips, and I'm going to try to hold it for about a second, and this is what's really going to activate the side of your butt. And I'm going to go ahead and do 2 sets of 30. If you can't handle 30, do it at your own pace, but again, you're really going to feel the burn, and make sure to rest in between exercises. And here's another hip thrusting exercise, except my feet are separated, not together like the previous hip thrusting exercise. And again, I'm just going to lift up my hips, and I'm going to hold it for just a little bit longer than the previous exercise. And I'm going to do 2 sets of 30 of these as well. So when it comes to getting that rear end in shape, I don't think anybody can get away with not doing squats. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 sets of 30. If you can't do 30, again, do it at your own pace. If you have some hand weights, you should go ahead and have those in your hand while you're doing the exercise. But yeah, this is a great exercise, and it definitely activates your glutes, and you will absolutely, again, feel the burn, which is always great. Next, I'm going to do some lunges, and I'm going to do 2 sets of 15 on each leg. Next, I'm going to do curtsy lunges, and I'm going to do 2 sets of 12 on each side. And my apologies to Louis, he always likes to see what I'm doing while I'm outside exercising, so I hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, I'm going to do 2 sets of 12 of curtsy lunges on each side. So the last exercise I'm going to do is a wide stance squat. This exercise mostly targets the inner thigh, but when I do it, I can absolutely feel it in my butt. So I like to do 2 sets of 20 of a wide stance squat. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making these videos. I always love to inspire or encourage you guys to get up and get in shape because I think it's really important. So definitely like, share this video with everybody you know, and again, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. But until then, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.